1,200 bottle cup syrup was recovered from a container vehicle bearing the number AS01RC 1198 coming from the outside state, the market value of which is more than 12 lakh rupees. Assam Choraibari Watch Post police arrested one person at the incident. His name is Amarendra Deburma. The Assam Choraibari Watch Post police has earned a good name after recovering many illegal items and narcotics coming from outside the state in a truck vehicle one after another. Likewise, the Assam Choraibari Watch Post police has set on a vehicle checking on Wednesday. Meanwhile, a container vehicle bearing AS01RC 1198 coming from Guwahati arrived at the checkpost. Police started searching the vehicle. While searching the vehicle, over 1,200 bottle cup syrup was recovered hidden inside other items, the market value of which is more than 12 lakh rupees. Assam Choraibari Watch Post police arrested one person at the incident. His name is Amarendra Deburma. Police presented him to Karimganj court on Thursday after an FIR was filed under the Act of NDPS case. Bureau report, Chini Khorang.